What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm back with this dude.
And my cat's missing, so it's not we're not looking here.
Let's see as it come. We're still trying to find my cousin's cat.
This time we're just gonna stay out back, so you know.
Hey,
I'm back to you.
I'm a little baby. Yeah, like look at that kitty.
There's a little black cat. It's hard to see. It's not.
You can't. He just went right through a fence. Ah, really? What's that? Where's that horn that they? Oh, it's like
Where's
right
that big old hook meat?
It's like right there.
I'm going to eat it.
Let's go right down to the park.
We're not going to go all the way down. Go halfway.
I remember last time. Oh, there it is. I remember last time when I brought my BB gun, and then like I was talking back to this African lady, and then the man started chasing us with a knife.
Not me. Don't let me hear it.
Cause it was me and you, Cruz, and Muhammad and Ali, and me, you, Cruz, Muhammad and Ali.
Oh yeah.
Not the Muhammad Ali boxer.
I know.
It's like these.
Friends.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can also watch the video on his side of his point of view.
Yeah.
Or you can watch it on my side of the point of view. You can check both of our YouTube
Channels out.
out.
His is called Dario Gonzalez.
Until I change it to the
Yeah,
Gamer Sup
until-
sidekick. And this is Gamer Sup, my cousin. It's freezing out here.
Which way are we go? Which way are we go? It's Dora. Dora. Map. Oh, dude.
Why would we do that? I'll be back whenever we catch our breath.
So, guys, I'm back.
And look what we found. I'm going to end this video right here. And we're going to do another video where we go in there, look for a cat. Peace out.
By the way, we already like went in there. This is kind of like the behind scenes. Just like it's like the cat hunters part 2. That's what it is. On inside of there.
It's because the other one we didn't get it on camera.
Yeah. By the way, he has a brother, right?
Yeah.
I need a fart. Can't see anything on your screen. Oh, it's because it's off.
Oh, it is. Alright, come on, let's watch my video. Bye.
No. Wait.
Let me show you the video on one phone and another.
I'm gonna do one and have it on. Oh, right. You're just gonna go see it on his perspective, or whatever you wanna call it, like stuff.
And then we're leaving it. Come on.
Yeah. Peace out.